Good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing very, very well. As you can see, I have the proper Christmas stuff up. I enjoy the Christmas trees. Y'all know that I have my glitzy glam hot pink Christmas tree, which I couldn't fit everything this year. So I chose the important thing, which is the Holy Family, to designate that it is the Christmas season. How are y'all doing? Are y'all doing good? Look, Jesus, dogs, and coffee, amen. That's good. That's the caramel drizzle, y'all. Okay, I've got to get right to my face. And I am going to do a little comparison video. I have these two foundations from IT Cosmetics. And this one is the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. They both have an SPF 50 plus, UVA and UVB. They both have a clinically tested hydrating and anti-aging with, this one has 3D Skin Flex. This one has color correcting full coverage cream, anti-aging hydrating serum. So I thought, I bet these are really just the same thing. What do y'all think? It's not. Do y'all like my fingernails? Do you want to know what that is? Oh, by the way, did I upload it? I uploaded a very long Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I hope y'all rambled through it with me. I know it took a long time. I really struggled with my opening experience because it wasn't, I don't know, it was a little lackluster, and I think that's partly because being canvas and the way they send it to you and the way you can pack it is folded up. And so it had the wrinkles. I think there's still a little bit in there. Right, there's a wrinkle. And over time that's going to fall out. Also because it's a 30, I'm almost wondering did I need a 25, but I've got a 35 and it was too big. And this exact same print. And I think it was even a Speedy Vandalier. And this is a Speedy Vandalier. Bandolier means it's got this strip on the side because you should never really hook to these. They're not made for that in any handbag. This is a reinforced piece with this right here, and it comes with a strap. The regular Speedy is just a top handle only, but I have been, this is growing on me, and enough that I'm going to keep it. I really do like it, and this is my first Louis Vuitton that I bought in store new. All my others have been traded somewhere somehow. But anyway, the reason I brought this up is this is the color, what's it called? Rock the Runway 270. And that's my Christmas red for the season. I really like it. And these are the gel Essies. They're twisted. And then you put this top coat on and it helps. It definitely helps it not the ends fray, especially on natural nails. Your ends fray a little quicker than the rest of the nail. Last night I broke a nail, so I got to fix that. That's just it. It's part of, oh, that was the top coat, is what I was trying to tell you. The white bottles are the top coat. And it's a gel top coat. So, remember when I was at the salon, I had all the sudden reaction to everything? It wasn't the gel nails. It was the glue. That gel, you're going to have to deal with glue. Especially if you do S&S, that little coat they paint over, that's glue. And then a very, very thin sheet of glue, and they dip your finger in the powder and do the glue again. That glue is what I had the reaction to. So I am able to wear nail polish, and I am even able to wear gel nail polish. We'll see. We'll see if I just did this yesterday. So we'll see if my body reacts to it. I don't think it will, but anyway. So I'm wearing my bracelet from my husband, bless his heart. Why does he get me big cuffs? I'm a little person. But it is pretty. I think he's so artsy. Back to this. So, I'm going to go ahead and just start, let's use this powder. Where's the Buffy and Foundation? Hello, there it is, okay. No, I'm going to use this is Sigma Flat Kabuki F80. Very, very popular foundation brush because it's nice and dense, but it's not so dense. It's the 301 IT one that, you can't clean it. You can't clean that one. And they even told me, oh, this is better for powder. I'm like, it is noted as a cream foundation thing. I think they messed up. But anyway, one side of my face, light CC cream. One side of my face, light full coverage moisturizer. So this is claiming to be a moisturizer. with full coverage tint. This is claiming to be a color correcting full coverage cream. So then we'll do the color corrector first. The cool thing I like about these, you should still shake them just to get the formula going good. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to use a little bit of this. This is the Miracle Eye Wand. I am going to go ahead. This is the sample, but I am going to go ahead and get another one of these because it's just convenient. It has the lift, the under eye cream, and then it has the illuminated soft focus, which is more like an illuminator than a, let me see, is there any left? Oh my gosh, y'all. I do like this so much, I've used it up. No, there's not enough left. I could put a dot. You never know how much a little bit goes. It can go a really long way. Let's do that again. A dot. Let's do that one more time. See if I can squeeze some out. There's almost none left. Well, this shows you that it goes a long way. I think that's what we're going to find out, is it goes a long way. Let's hope, because I need the lift. Okay, so I did one little pass. Now I'm just gonna, I just need something to kind of help with bags today, so that's why I'm gonna use this. And then on the other side, it's the actual color. And this is number 2, I believe, tint, shade 2. That's right. And I'm gonna use a little bit of that before I put on my foundation. I'll just let that be kind of sinking in because it supposedly has treatment in it. We'll see, because it may just need a minute, you know what I mean? And I am going to go past the eye over here to lighten it up back there and down by the nose. Okay, but mostly I want to stay under that eye. And I am going to go over the lid just because it'll act as a primer. Okay, last pat. Okay, so that should help. What is that? That's just the little residue from using the pack. Put that down the nose, just to kind of fill the pores. And in there. Same reason. Okay, so I do highly recommend this. This is a Miracle. It says Mini Miracle Eye Wand. I thought it was full size, but anyway, maybe the sample is? I don't know. But, so now that I've got that on, I've got a little makeup baby there. Yeah, I was going to say, it's coming off in flakes because it was dried, because it was just a little packet. So if you see anything weird on my face, yeah, there's another one. And there's another one. That's not skin. Okay. I need my makeup cloth so I can wipe off my fingers as I go. Okay, so again, we're going to use the CC cream on the left side, and we're going to use the full coverage moisturizer on the right side. They're supposedly the same color. I have a funny feeling they're going to be a little different. What do y'all think? So I'm going to do one pump from each one of them. One pump. And hopefully, because we're doing just one side of the face, so that actually should be too much. So I'm just going to do my usual kind of get in the pores. It almost has like a green hue, doesn't it? Isn't that weird? I think I use this all the time, so that's weird. And I'm going to only do half my nose, as best I can do a half. And we're not going to get near the eyes because we've already used an illuminator. That may be why it looks green, because that illuminator has probably a blue hue to get to the nostril and the chin. Okay. Got a little makeup in my hair because I didn't pull it back like a ding dong. Okay. And of course we're going to round out what's left on the brush up here and elongate the jaw and blend out down here. So did I get it good? What do y'all think of the coverage? Okay, I'm going to stamp it in the pores right around the nose because those Stamping that in, it just fills the pores so it gives a more smooth look. Okay, it definitely has the reason you do foundation in the first place is to give a all over color versus the splotchiness of your natural skin. Alright, so this is the full coverage, what am I trying to say, moisturizer. Get one more good. I'm going to do one pump of it. Let me make sure I got all product off of this brush. Let me wipe it off. Okay, so we're going to do one good pump. That's all. I think both of these products are really good. It'll be interesting to say what's the color difference, and this one's more yellow. This is the full coverage moisturizer. I think it's more yellow. The other one's more green base or beige base. But they're both light. They're very similar. I feel like this one's a tad lighter. There. So I usually like to do little short straight up and downs to get initial coverage. Get up the nose in, around the area. I forgot to do the little swoosh by the nose to make sure you don't have buildup product there. Okay. Kind of blend those two together where there's a crease all the way up. And over here. Alright, and then I go the opposite direction just to make sure there's no lines and that I got all over coverage. Don't go under the eyes because you've already got product there. Elongate the jaw and blend that out. And then if you want to, you can lift your jewelry and blend down into your décolleté area just a little bit what's left on the brush. Just so there's not too much color difference. And again, same thing here. I don't want to put a lot on my scalp. Now we're gonna just